I love Battleship, and I'm gonna play. And want to watch me? Let's go. All right. And I guess I can hide my ships like that. Like they said in configuration. All right, let's go. I'm ready. Let's play Battleship. One of my favorite games. The goal of the game is to find and sink the enemy's ships before they find and sink yours. You get to fire a single shot every turn. Tap a cell to fire. Alright, I will just pick one there and see what we get. Nothing. Now he shoots for me. Nothing. I'll shoot over here. Nothing. Ooh, close miss. Let's see. How about way over here? Nothing. Uh-oh. Don't hit me, buddy. So far, so good. Nothing. I'm just gonna have to jump around until I can hit something. Good. So far, so good. Nobody's hit anything. Oh, crap. He hit mine. Dang it. Alright, I better hit something quick, because he's got one of mine. Nothing. Maybe he doesn't know what I have or which way to fire. But he hit that. Dang it. Oh, dang it. I think you get to go again, unless you get a miss. Oh, dang it. He's going to hit that and sink that. He sunk my battleship. And then he gets to go again. Now it's a miss. Alright, well, I better just start trying to close. At this point, I must be really just missing a bunch of his ships. Maybe he's got on the edges. Maybe I should do something like that. No. Oh, man. This isn't looking good for me. I guess I don't have anything over here. What about that? Yes! And I get to go again. How about that way? Yes! Let me try up above. I missed. Well, I didn't sink it, so it's not his little ship. Let's keep going this way until I sink it. Hit. But I did I sink it? Nope. Let's keep going again. Hit. Did I sink it? Nope. I guess I got his aircraft carrier. Perfect. The easiest one to find. But I get to go again. So how about, like, there? Nothing. I don't find... Oh, no. We just fired and got another one of my ships. How about there? I got nothing again, and now he's just going to sink that ship. Oh, no, he went the wrong way. Okay, good. How about up there? Nothing. And now he's just going to sink it. And he's going to have 2 of my 5 ships down. Geez, that's close to my submarine. I gotta start, like, filling in the holes. Where don't I have something? I gotta start looking for those shots where there's, like, 3. Like, maybe right there? Oh, no, he's got my 3rd boat. Oh, no. And I'm just missing everything here. This is horrible. Yes. Okay, how about there? Yes. How about there? No. Weird that he didn't hit that. And I guess I didn't sink it? That's so weird. Maybe he has 2 side by side. He does. Alright, let's just keep going then. Alright. And I guess I can try there. And there. Alright, so I'm catching up. I've got 3 of his ships sunk. 2 more to go. And he is about to... And I can go again. Yeah, let's see. How about right there? Yes, I hit another one. Yes! he's about to sink my third ship. Bang. Alright, and my aircraft carrier is the easiest one to find. Dang. Alright, let's just hope, pray. Great, I've sunk 4 of his ships. I've just got to find that little 2. That's going to be hard. How about there? I just got to hope and pray that I can get that last ship before he gets mine. Anywhere that there's just like a little hole, I'm just going to have to keep looking. I like to make these little diagonals. How about there? No. Okay, yeah, you just keep missing. I'm happy. I'm happy. You just keep missing. What about there? Nope. We almost got that little guy. And what about there? Ouch. Yeah, good. You just keep missing. What about there? If I get a red, that means I found his last ship. I just need to get that last ship before he gets my last 2 ships. How about up there? No. Wow, it's starting to feel like it's taking us a long time to hit this. Is his ship next to his ship? The way he had those 2 side by side makes me wonder. Nope. I just want to start like anywhere there's like an open gap with that I haven't hit. I want to see if I can find something. And I feel like I'm really covering a lot of ground here. How about in between these 2? Nope. I don't know why he's not hitting that aircraft carrier. Nope. At this point, I really should be doing something. Yes! And no. Alright, well I've won on the next turn. I've just won the game. Perfect. I love this game. Anyways, tell me what you think of this game. Have a good day. Bye.